Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Expedia, right? So it's very easy to do it, and by the way, just let me confirm by yourself. So if you just go to Expedia website and try to use Afterpay, then it is not going to work, right? So first of all, you have to go to the website of Afterpay. Just go to Google and search Afterpay, right? You will get the first link. Now click on buy now pay later here and it will get started, right? Generally it will ask you region, your country, so you can just select your country, and here you have to type Expedia, right? And once you type it here, you will get this redirect button, so just click on this and it will redirect to your new page here. Let me just close the old one, right? So if I'm here and if I choose to go somewhere, you can just choose, right, whatever you want to do with this website, right? Then I will just click on search and I will just show you. And here, if I just go to, for example, let's say I will choose this Royal Garden Hotel, right? Once I'm here and if I try to reserve this, so just a second, well, I just got option to reserve a room, and let's say I just want to reserve this one, so I'll just click on reserve, right? Once I click on the reserve, we will get this option to payment method. We can use Afterpay in Expedia, right? So it's very easy. Let me show you if I directly go to the Expedia. So let me show you from here. This is the directly website, and if I just click on London, right, I will just select here. I will just click on the search, and here you will get not a single option to pay with Afterpay, right? So let me just show you. Let it load, and I will just click on reserve a room. Let me get an option here. Okay, so here let's say I just want to reserve this, and here you can see your payment option. I don't have any option to pay with Afterpay or something. If even though if I just click on pay now, I will not get a single option to do it. You can see here that there's a no option. So make sure you just go to Afterpay and then select the Expedia website, and then you will able to pay with Afterpay, right? So this is very easy. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.